Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today I'm taking a look in the box of the Google Nest Mini. So this is one of those mini speakers, a lot like some of the other ones on the market. Maybe you're familiar with like the Echo Dot, but this is the Google version. So pretty cool. This is a Nest Mini. I got it in, this is the second generation. It is in the charcoal. It works, it says YouTube Music, Google Calendar, Google Maps, Google Duo, Philip Hue, so it has a lot of those connections for smart home, Google Assistant. So some really interesting stuff. Says you can control TVs, lights, thermostats, and thousands of smart devices, make calls, all this type of fun stuff, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, wall mount ready. That's kind of cool. Also, it says small and mighty. So what they really promote is saying it may be small, but it supposedly has some really great sound. So in this video, I'm just going to take a look and let's take a glimpse and see actually what's in the box. So if I go ahead, open this up. Very cool. So that's what it looks like. I will say I think it is a little bit bigger, and at least from the original Echo Dot that I have, the Google Nest Mini is a lot more sleek and stylish looking than that other one. It does have some weight to it, so that's pretty interesting. Kind of was not expecting that because some of the ones on the market, you pick them up and it's like nothing inside. So that right there is telling me, well, there's some electronics, but there also may be a decent sized driver in there for the bass of the sound. On the back, you got the little keyhole thing. So yes, it is wall mountable. Looks like a little microphone switch, as well as, I guess that's power there. I don't see anything for like a auxiliary, anything like that. I guess we'll find out more, but there is that little thing, and there's some lights that show up inside. Also here, you just got some packaging material. Got your getting started guide, and then we have extra long power cable, so that will sit relatively flat against the wall. It's not one of those big protruding power cables, so it has this nice finish to it, as well as the white cable, so it could work well on a lot of different walls and applications, as well as the power. So it's not like the standard USB power or anything like that. It is its own power cable, so do keep that in mind. Nothing else here in the box, so those are the two different things. Let's see if there's any power in this unit by itself. Usually not. So nothing there. So I'm looking forward to actually checking this out to see how it sounds, how it performs. So we will see that in the demo and review video when I post that. But otherwise, this is what's in the box of the Google Nest Mini 2nd generation. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon wherever it is, and I'll see you soon.